is my tablet, small and bright. This is my screen, I tap just right. This is my phone, I call and talk. This is my cam, for walks we walk. This is my drone up in the sky. This is my flyer, zooming high. This is my computer, big and wide. This is my mouse, I move with pride. This is my camera, click and snap. This is my photo in a tap. This is my AirPods, music play. This is my dance all through the day. This is my printer, buzz and beep. This is my paper, clean and neat. This is my tech, it helps me do learning, playing, me and you.